82% of online buyers check video content before making a purchase. If you're still struggling to create scroll-stopping videos or wasting money on overpriced AI tools, you're literally leaving profits on the table. Today, I'm reviewing OneVideo AI, a game-changing platform that gives you access to premium video AIs like Google Veo, Luma, Kling, and more, all in one place, with no monthly fees. After testing hundreds of tools in the digital marketing space over the past few years, I've seen it all, the good, the bad, and the totally useless. But this one, it actually delivers results. And hey, if you decide to grab OneVideo AI through the link below, you'll unlock some powerful exclusive bonuses. Check the description for full details, don't miss them. So, what is OneVideo AI? It's a cloud-based platform that gives you lifetime access to the world's most powerful AI video creation tools, all from a single dashboard. You can instantly create 4K cinematic ads, viral YouTube shorts, animated explainers, AI-generated voiceovers, promo videos in any niche or language. And you can sell these videos on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to clients, keeping 100% of the profits. This isn't some overnight magic trick, but it is the ultimate shortcut if you're serious about growing an online business using AI-powered video content. Top benefits. Here's what makes OneVideo AI stand out. Google Veo Pro, generate ultra-realistic 4K videos from text. Kling AI Pro, create smooth motion video scenes instantly. Haiper AI, animate viral reels with transitions and storytelling. Luma Dream Machine, produce cinematic AI movie scenes. MiniMax, Mochi VFX, stable diffusion and more, all included. One-time payment, no hidden costs, no API keys. Full commercial license, sell unlimited videos. Zero tech headaches, fully beginner-friendly. And all of this. Just $17 one time. Not monthly. How it works. Getting started is super simple. Just follow these 3 steps. Step 1, log into your dashboard. Step 2, choose an AI tool and type your prompt. Step 3, generate your video, download, and profit. That's it. No installations, no editing skills, no rendering delays. What this really means for you. Here's what it translates to in real life. Speed equals faster content creation equals faster income. Savings equals no need to hire video editors or buy multiple tools. Precision equals create videos your audience actually wants to watch. Simplicity equals create anytime, from anywhere, on any device. Smart price comparison, $310. Let's compare. Hiring a video editor, $300 plus per project. Google Veo, Luma AI and others individually, $97 per month or more. Stock footage and VFX apps, $1, $200/year. OneVideo AI, just $17 one time, with access to everything.
Welcome to OneVideo AI Quick Demo Video, your all-in-one dashboard for generating professional-grade videos using the most advanced AI models in the world. No subscriptions, no complexity, just powerful AI video creation, simplified. Let's start with AI image to video. Upload any image, PNG, JPG, or WEBP. Then select a video model like Kling 1.6 Pro, Luma Dream Machine, or Haiper 2.5. Type your prompt, click generate, and watch your still photo turn into a breathtaking moving video in just seconds. Whether it's a majestic lion in the savannah or a high-fashion product shot, OneVideo AI brings static visuals to life like never before. Now let's try AI text to video. Simply describe the scene you imagine. For example, a woman walking through a futuristic city at night. And choose a model like Google Veo 3, MiniMax, or Kling 2.1 Master. Click generate, and OneVideo AI creates a fully animated video that brings your vision to life. It's perfect for marketers, filmmakers, YouTubers, or anyone who wants to create professional content without cameras or editing software. Enhance your videos with AI voiceovers, available in dozens of languages and voice styles. Or take it further with voice cloning, where you can replicate your own voice and use it in any project. Now your videos can talk in your brand tone without needing a microphone. Need help with script writing or video prompts? Use the built-in AI chat assistant to brainstorm ideas, write powerful copy, or refine your message, all inside the OneVideo AI dashboard. Use the voice isolator to remove background noise from your audio or separate vocals from music with one click. OneVideo AI also connects with your favorite tools through integrations, making it super easy to streamline your workflow. Want to monetize your videos? With commercial and agency rights included, you can sell your AI videos to clients, offer video creation services, or even let others use your dashboard and charge them any fee you like. And here's the best part. You get lifetime access to all of this. No monthly payments, no limitations, and no API headaches. Access the world's most powerful AI video tools like Google Veo 3, Luma Dream Machine, Haiper, Kling, MiniMax, Mochi, Runway ML, and many more from one single platform. The future of video creation is here. Tap into OneVideo AI today and start creating, animating, and profiting with videos that stand out, convert, and go viral. Join now and unlock lifetime access.
Optional upgrades, OTOs. Want to scale even faster? Here's what's in the funnel. OTO 1, Pro Edition, $67, unlock unlimited rendering and premium speed. OTO 2, DFY templates, $47, instant access to hundreds of explainer and ed templates. OTO 3, AI Voice Suite, $47, natural voices in 40+ languages. OTO 4, Agency License, $67, manage clients, add team members. OTO 5, Reseller License, $97, sell OneVideo AI as your own. OTO 6, AI Prompt Kit, $97, Smart Prompt Builder to speed up video generation. OTO 7, VFX Pack, $47, Advanced Video Animations and Transitions. OTO 8, Advanced Training, $37, How to Profit with AI Content Fast. Best pick. The Pro Edition and Reseller License, if you want to run this like a real business.
Hey there! Stop everything you're doing right now, because what you're about to see might be the most powerful AI video breakthrough of this decade. Just imagine if in the next 2 minutes, you could instantly unlock the world's most advanced and premium AI video generators like Google Veo, Kling, Haiper, Luma Dream Machine, Stable Diffusion Video, MiniMax, Mochi, and Hunyuan, all from a single easy-to-use dashboard, without ever paying a monthly fee again. Sounds unreal? Well, it's not just real. It's called One AI Video, and it's about to change everything. And guess what? The AI video revolution has already started. And if you're still paying $47, $80, or even $149 per month just to create a few basic videos, you're already falling behind. Here's why. These top-tier AI video tools are dominating the market right now. They create hyper-realistic cinematic videos, scroll-stopping reels and TikToks, professional VFX scenes, abstract brand promos, dreamlike movie visuals, and even AI-generated storytelling clips, all from a single text prompt in seconds. But there's a big problem. All these AI video apps come at a hefty price. Let's break it down. Google Veo Pro, $97 a month. Kling AI Pro, $89 month. Haiper AI Pro, $74 month. Luma Dream Machine Pro, $99 month. Stable Diffusion Video Pro, $83 month. MiniMax Pro, $59 month. Mochi VFX Pro, $79 month. Hunyuan AI Pro, $69 month. That's a jaw-dropping $7,752 a year just for AI video tools. And that's just the beginning. Now imagine if you could skip all that. No monthly subscriptions, no complex setups, no limits on usage. Introducing One AI Video, the world's first AI video powerhouse that combines all the leading AI video models in one dashboard for a low one-time price. With One AI Video, you can create 4K cinematic visuals with Google Veo, generate real-time video scenes with Kling, turn ideas into viral reels with Haiper, build dreamlike movie trailers with Luma, stylize your content with Stable Diffusion, craft futuristic visuals with Hunyuan, and do it all in under 60 seconds without paying a penny more, ever. But that's not even the best part. With OneAI, you can also launch your own AI video creation platform, sell access to others, and charge any price. Start your own AI video agency without skills. Keep 100% of the profits with commercial license included. This isn't just software. This is a business in a dashboard. Now let's talk about what you're actually getting. Lifetime access, no monthly or yearly fees. 8 world-class AI video engines in one place. Stunning VFX, 3D animations, and cinematic clips. Beginner-friendly, cloud-based, no experience needed. Commercial license to sell videos, reels, promos, and more. So, what's the catch? There is one. This offer is extremely limited. We can only allow a small number of lifetime users before switching to monthly subscriptions forever. Right now, you have a one-time chance to get full lifetime access to OneAI Video for less than the price of a single month on just one of these tools. And if that's not enough, you're also protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So you've got absolutely nothing to lose. Here's all it takes. Step 1. Grab access to OneAI Video. Step 2. Choose a tool and type your prompt. Step 3. Watch your AI video generate in seconds. Step 4. Sell it for profit, post it, or use it for your own brand. It's that simple, that fast, that profitable. So, ask yourself, where else can you get all the world's most premium AI video tools, like Google Veo, Kling, Haiper, Luma, Stable Diffusion, MiniMax, Mochi, and Hunyuan in one dashboard for a one-time price, with commercial rights and 0 monthly fees? Nowhere. So don't wait, don't blink, don't miss this. This is your shot to join the AI video revolution before the rest of the world catches up. Hit the button below and get instant lifetime access to OneAI Video before it's gone. Click the button now. Start creating, start selling, start winning with AI. We'll see you inside.
Drawbacks. Let's keep it real. A couple of things to be aware of. You'll need a stable internet connection, since it's cloud-based. Might feel overwhelming at first with so many AIs, but training is included. That said, for this price, it totally over-delivers. Final verdict. If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, launch a profitable AI video agency, stop paying monthly for editing tools, then OneVideo AI is a no-brainer. Hit the link in the description to grab it before the price jumps, and unlock all the free bonuses waiting for you. Bonus emotional payoff. You don't need to keep paying more to get less. OneVideo AI gives you freedom, speed, and unlimited potential, all without the monthly pain. This isn't just a video app. It's your shortcut to freedom. Click the link below and lock in your access now. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for honest reviews that actually save you time and make you money. See you on the inside.